In this video, I will teach you rate analysis of whitewashing of one coat on a coat of primer to new plaster. So let us start. Let us consider an area of 100 meters square for which the whitewashing has to be done. So starting with the table, there is no material calculation. We ourselves will be assuming the quantity of the material as well as the labors here. So here the material which are required are number one, the white lime, and then the glue powder, and then the blue pigment color. So totally three types of materials are required here. So the quantity of the white lime for a area of 100 meters square for one coat of whitewashing is 11 kg, and the rate is 3 rupees per kg. So for finding the amount, we have to multiply the quantity with rate. On multiplying 11 with 3, we will get 33 rupees. Here the glue powder as well as the blue pigment powder lump sum amount will be considered. For glue powder, a lump sum amount of 5 rupees will be considered, and for the blue pigment color, the lump sum amount of 7 rupees has been considered. So that gives you the amount of the materials. Moving to the labor. So the labors which are required are one is painter, other is helper. So the both are of 0.75 numbers. That means only 75% a day. Both the painter as well as helper will be available at the site, and he will do the work. And the rate which are fixed are 360 rupees per day for the painter and 290 rupees per day for the helper. Now to find the amount for both the labors, we had to multiply the quantity with the rate. On multiplying 0.75 with 360, we will get 270 rupees. On multiplying 0.75 with 290, we will get 217.50 rupees. So that gives you the amount for the labors. Moving to the contingency and the transportation cost, here we are assuming a lump sum amount of rupees 15. That's all. So that completes the rate analysis part. So now to find the total amount, we had to add all the amounts. On adding 33 with 5 with 7 with 270 with 217.5 with 15, we will get a total amount of 547 rupees 50 paise. For this total amount, we had to add 1% of water charges. Let us find the 1% of this. To find 1% of the amount, we had to multiply our amount with 1, and that has to be divided with 100. So by doing that, we will get a value of 5.475 rupees. Then by adding these two things, we will get with the new total amount of 552 rupees 0.975 paise. So for our new total amount, we had to add the 10% of the profit and the overhead charges. Let us find 10% of this. To find 10%, we have to multiply this value with 10 and divide that with 100. By doing that, we will get a value of 55.2975 rupees. Then to find the grand total amount, we had to add these two amounts. By adding these two things, we will get an amount of 608 rupees 27 paise. Here comes the total value or the total amount for applying the whitewash for an area of 100 meters square. If you want to apply the whitewash of one coat for an area of 100 meters square, it hardly cost 608 rupees 27 paise. If this is so, then what will be the value or what will be the rate for 1 meter square of area for applying the whitewash of one coat? So for finding that, we had to divide the grand total value with 100. By doing this, we will get a value of 6.08, approximately takes 6 rupees. That means if we want to apply the whitewash for one coat, whitewash of one coat for an area of 1 meter square, it hardly costs 6 rupees. So this gives you the detailed rate analysis for the whitewash for one coat. If in the examination they will ask you for the whitewash for 2 coats on a coat of primer, means by that time what do you have to do? By that time you just have to double the quantities of the materials as well as labor. For example, here the quantity of the white lime is 11 for the single coat. Similarly, for the double coat, you had to do twice this amount. So twice this means you have to multiply 11 with 2. So let us multiply 11 with 2. You will get a value of 22. That means the quantity of material will be by that time will be 22 kg, whereas the rate as well as the lump sum amount will remain as it is. Only thing is you have to double the quantity there. For example, here the labor required for the one coat is 0.75 numbers for both the painter as well as helper, but there we had to double. That means 0.75 into 2 we had to do. That means 1.5 numbers will be required for the two number of coatings. So only this thing is varied for two coating. For one coating this is the procedure. For two coating the procedure is same, the rate is fixed, everything is same. Only thing is the quantity of the white line as well as the painter and helper will get doubled. So that completes the rate analysis for the whitewashing.